Alright guys, so I hope everybody's having a great 4th of July. We're keeping it low key this year, just my daughter and my mom and my aunt. You know, the little ones are off at parades and all that good jazz. But it's time for us to take, you see I bent the crap out of that, so I gotta get a new front, but it looks like it's bent pretty even. So we got our LC out. I let some 4-year-olds take this for a spin, full throttle and all day, just to kind of see what would happen. Got carpet stuck in the tires, but I got everything all better. I think I still need a front bearing on that one. It's tight. So it might be time to get some ceramics for this and take her to the track, but no time like the present. Let's get some running in today and enjoy ourselves on this beautiful holiday. Started up the grill. So turn it on. Started up the grill. We got our Dumbo. Not using no dry roll. This is just straight. Let's see what we got. There's that beautiful servo. Anyways. Alright, we're using our Gens Ace. 1500, I think. It's a 2S. I don't need 3S on the track. But if you watched our video yesterday, Lauren and I were doing some running, and I think we're going to make that kind of a thing. So this is the new track layout for the smaller cars, just to have some fun. You can already tell this guy's a little bit different than the Rolaro. Not much. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Rolaro's got a huge sale going on right now. I think it's till the end of the month, like 29th or something like that. I'm actually looking at the AMX12 roller. That's right up my alley. That's something I can afford, I can get behind, because I got a lot of electronics, and I really don't like other people's. You know, I like using what I use. And, you know, the stock stuff is never as good as you like. That's why racing. So anyways, and then my plan is I kind of like doing that with Lauren. We're just doing head to head, so we're gonna do some 112 action. We'll get the WLs out, we'll get the LCs out. Now I only have one LC, and that's kind of mine, because I actually intend on taking this to the local track on the open nights, just to see what it's like on a real clay track. It's just such a fun car. You should see how it just hops over stuff. I'm not even on any throttle at all, guys. I can't stress that enough. Because you can see this thing could, I mean, we can go pretty far with it. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So I was looking at that AMX12 for 89 bucks. Man, you can't go wrong. Because I can turn that, I have a funny feeling I can turn that AMX12 into a LC. It's just a couple dollars. And an LC is like $270 per kit right now. They're up there in price. So anyways, hopefully everybody's having a great holiday and celebrating safe. We're going to be doing some fireworks later. They finally made it legal again in New York. It's so funny to see the changes. When I was a kid, firecrackers were not even a worry. You know, I could go buy them as a 10-year-old. Nobody was caring, you know. And I still got all my fingers. And somewhere along the way, right around the same time as the smoking laws, when they used commercial law to dictate policy, and that's where we're living now. We are free, but we volunteer our rights away under the guise of big corporations. Well, in my mind, the only way to get rid of that is to get rid of the corporations. Everybody does business with each other as individuals. The government don't have a right to do nothing against you then. Privately owned organizations, not. It's like the mandates and all that crap. It's such a constitutional issue that these kids don't understand the Constitution. They're going to vote away their rights, and you know. Anyways, not to get sidetracked, but of all days that's most important to talk about, it is on the 4th, Independence Day, not the 4th, it's Independence Day. Because if you really look, it was signed on the 2nd, not the 4th. And fireworks and all that good jazz are part of the celebration of our freedom. And we live in the best country in the world. And don't you ever forget it, guys. No matter how bad it is here, it's worse everywhere else. And that's under the bootstrap of our military, which again, it's the men of the world that have to give up their lives for safety of our society, our young boys. And I think it's important to remember that, what today's really about, our freedoms, guys. Anyway, kind of rambling. Dinner should be about ready to go, or the coals should be. So just eating some sausage and burgers and a normal bologna today. Having a watermelon, some fresh sweet corn. Favorite vegetable, sweet corn, which is a fruit, really, not a vegetable. People don't understand that. Fruit are the fruits, it's seeds. Vegetable is the stalks, the greens. So even your wheat technically is a fruit because it's a seed. But anyways. So remember what it's about today, guys, and celebrate hard. You know? Don't let your youngins and kids forget it. And as you can see, this is one of my favorite things to do, is drive this car. Yeah. Anyway, Relardo, that's what I need to get. AMX12. Make sure you check out the links. They got contests going on if you're into that. Dude, I even saw some, what was it, the 917s are like $150. I've never seen anything like that. That's crazy. That's like $100 off. Anyway, I normally can't afford Relardos, but I think I can today. So. Anyways, I think Lauren's coming up, seeing what I'm doing. What you doing, babe? I fixed this from when I let Joe's kids run it. You should have seen all the stuff in the wheels. I must have pulled this blue carpet. They must have pulled like 3 runs of it up. Oh, I can see the Meshuggah there. Anyways, hopefully you guys like and subscribe. And have a great Independence Day. And enjoy your freedoms. Because society is funny. And they go in cycles. And life is funny. And at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is family. So, thank you to all my subscribers. All that good jazz, URGENEX and winter's evening. And everybody, have a great, wonderful holiday. Hey.